You know why they're so happy? Because we finally get to go to the powder coat shop with all of this. Nice work, boys.
Yeah.
Slow clap.
Been a lot of work.
We basically have a transformer.
Yep.
To hold up
Transformer
a
time.
bed and a cab, and all of the parts are interchangeable. We feel so confident that we're going to go straight to powder coat. Not paint, where you could do it again, but powder coat where you commit, and if it's wrong, you regret. So,
Regrets.
No more regrets.
Powder coat, not so much.
Yeah. We got pallets of parts, and we have lots of other parts that still look ugly and gross, but we're trying to get this thing ready for the PRI show, standing for Performance Racing Industry 2025 in Indianapolis in like, I don't know, 3 weeks.
Yeah, something like that.
No stress. It's easy.
It's fine. Everything's fine.
Chase sent us pictures of our fleece block in rough cut. Chad is getting really excited because he's getting super stoked about getting to the dyno with our Hamilton CGI block. We've got Turbo Guy working on turbo setups. It's coming out pretty good. What color do you think we should go with the frame?
Bronze.
I think it was a unanimous vote on that one.
I said method wheel, like bronze kind of color, because in the paint there is some kind of like silver gold metal flake, and I don't want it to be black in case we actually have an oil leak that might be important. I'd like to see it immediately. Rex, I feel like you should say something about your project because you have
Countless hours in this thing, from brackets and tubes and cutting stuff out of it and welding stuff on, but yeah, it turned out really good.
2 sets of front shocks, a Turbo 400,
Billet transfer case.
billet transfer case, Kenny's clutch, 13-inch clutch, 13.25-inch clutch, 2 blocks, 1 fleece block, 1 Hamilton block, 2 14 mil pump, DDP 6-7 big diameter injection lines. Both differentials get swapped out from sled pull to dyno and drag race.
This thing's rad. Like, and if you guys show up to PRI, it's gonna come as just a chassis. So it won't have a cab on it or a bed. You'll be able to just peek your peepers at every little weld. Go ahead and judge away. I didn't put any on it, so.
Yeah, this is gonna be awesome. I'm super stoked. So, well, let's go use some B-roll, show you how we treat this frame in the rain, going down the road. Lots of water, all the gallons. Remember Point Break, the very back of the movie, where Patrick Swayze ends up like, you can't put me in a cage. I feel like right now it's raining that hard outside. So if you don't know how hard it's raining outside, watch Point Break the last couple of minutes when Patrick Swayze gets like, you know, tackled and he's got handcuffs on and yeah. And then the Australian.
Yeah, we'll reenact it outside.
That was in like New Zealand, right?
I don't know. I've
Yeah,
never
it was in
seen it.
What?
That movie's older than me.
Your parents failed. Hey, you know what we're doing? We're gonna drop this off, and then we're gonna watch Point Break today,
Either.
along with Smokey and the Bandit, because that also is a rite of passage.
Okay, well, I know Smokey and the Bandit.
Yeah.
It's about time we got somewhere with these guys. All right, let's do this.
All right.
That'll work. I like it. It's a pretty Highland bronze. Cool. Thank you. Yeah. See you, buddy. So we're here at Full Circle. We've picked our powder coat color, bronze. Pretty excited about it. Except for now, we've got an order from Prismatic. So it'll be like a week before they get the color. By then, I'm sure they'll have the frame prepped, ready to go. Kelly and gang will bang it out. Call us and tell us to come pick it up. See you in a week.